to Bangkok for Truck Fest, the country's only big rig, car show, drag race, burnout competition, and gymkhana. Further proof that they will race anything in this country with wheels and an engine. Bro, are you seeing this? Like, is this even for real? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. 36 mirrors just on the passenger side. And all of these trucks are like this. They love their mirrors and they love their Michelin Man. Nice Isuzu. Look at the design here with the nitrous oxide bottle. You know, just like we were talking about when we saw the drag racing ambulances a couple weeks ago, these trucks are privately owned and operated, and because they're privately owned and operated by a Thai person, they can't help but modify everything with wheels. And bruh, look at all the lights. I'm not gonna continue to count stuff, but because we don't have time for that. But the amount of lights and mirrors on these trucks is absolutely ridiculous. By the way, guys, we just restocked a ton of CB Media apparel over on my website, cbmediaonyoutube.com. If you want a CB Media shirt, go grab yours today. They also have some vintage old school big rigs on display. And you'll see these things that were like manufactured in the 40s, like legit older than your grandfather, still running the roads of Thailand, working today. When you see them on the highways, get the hell out of the way because they have absolutely no brakes and they're terrifying to be around, to be honest. But man, they look freaking cool. Like seriously, parts of this truck, parts of this truck is wood. And of course, the massive exhaust, because all big rigs in Thailand, you gotta have your massive exhaust. But these trucks are super old school. Look at his mud flaps with the shotgun and the hot white girl. This green one has US Army on it, and it actually might be from the US Army, because way back in the day when this was made, the US Army was in this area because of the Vietnam War, and they left a lot of heavy machinery and even airplanes here in Thailand when they left the country. Man, a lot of these things have really, really nice paint jobs. Like, look at the shading. Like, the paintwork on these things are super nice. And from what I've been told, all of these trucks are working trucks. They're not like something that somebody built to bring to big rig truck shows, if that's even a thing that I know of. I've been pretty much in and out of Thailand for 6 years and heavily involved in the motorsports scene. This is the first time I've ever attended what you would call a big rig truck show. And again, it's super cool because it's not just a truck show. They're out here racing these big things, which is amazing. Oh my God, look at this. This guy's got his, I was gonna say hood popped, but that's not a hood. And look at the engine bay. Wow. That's actually really, really nice for an engine bay on a big rig, especially when nobody would ever see this. That is clean. Remember what I told you about the exhaust tips? Look at the size of these exhaust tips. That is an exhaust tip. Yes, I'm serious. It's bigger than his wheel. Are you guys seeing that mural like that's on the backside of the dump truck on that thing? That's unreal. The fact that they put the time and effort into paint that there is only in Thailand would they do some shit like that on a true legit working truck. And this is another thing you're gonna see on big rigs here in this country that you'll probably never see anywhere else. They put entire audio systems, subwoofers, mid-range, and tweeters powered by like high voltage amps on the front of their trucks. Why? I mean, I guess they just want everybody to join in the party. See, this guy's got 4, what are those, 10-inch woofers? The tweeters here. This guy over here has 6, I think, 10-inch woofers on his bumper. with the tweeters down here, and even this guy over here, he has, what are these? 8-inch? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 subwoofers and tweeters. It's a legit full-blown stereo system on the front of a big rig. Who needs a horn, right? You guys gotta look at these things. Look at this. What the hell? Look at the amount of subwoofers on the front of this bus. What is happening? How is that even happening? I mean, it only makes sense that I need to go in there, right? Hello? Oh my God, look at this thing. Hello? What's up, bro? Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Woo! Yeah! It's a party, baby! If you guys come to visit me here in Thailand, we're taking this bus as a tour guide. That shit is fucking epic. Think about the visibility of the driver in this situation. Like, what? Nice. And again, look at the exhaust tip. The biggest exhaust tip you've ever seen in your life. Well guys, I just got some bad news. The Gymkhana, it happened at like 11 a.m. this morning. We totally missed it. The only thing I can think of is hopefully one of my Thai videographer friends was here for the Gymkhana and they'll let me use some of their footage and drop it in here for you guys. But the good news is there's still more drag racing going down tonight here at Truck Fest. I'm headed back to the truck show. As it gets later, these events tend to get really, really wild. So let's see what type of adventure we can find. Dude, at night, this is like a totally different vibe. Look. Cacao's always my favorite.
Just for me, 9 you just for me, 9 means 9.
With all the blue and red and LED lights, and then This is just like a totally different event. So freaking cool. Okay guys, I gotta show you something about this truck. This truck has something that I haven't seen in any other big rig here today. And I'm not talking about a crazy amount of speakers. This truck has nitrous. Look at that. This thing has 2 nitrous models in it and an entire wall of subwoofers. Like this, like what you would consider like Thai redneck events. Once the sun sets and they break out the whiskey, this is what ends up happening. Shit starts getting really, really wild. My phone battery was only at 7%. So I decided to put it in my pocket and enjoy the rest of my night. And I promise you, it was a very good one. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the end, and I'll see you next weekend. Peace.